So here's the equipment we use here at the Ashland Hawkwatch. We bring everything up in this backpack. So I just grab that, and I also grab the spotting scope out there. We have a weather meter that we use, it's a Kestrel, and we use that to get information on the weather, such as the wind, the temperature, barometric pressure, humidity, and all of that we write on this data sheet here, and that's also where we can put down the raptor count. Underneath this sheet we have a sheet where we keep track of the height data for raptors, and we also use a hypsometer to get exact heights on migrating raptors, and we keep that information on this sheet. And then we have a visitor sign-in sheet for people who just stop by, and then underneath it we have a sheet with our for the official volunteers to log in, to sign in. And this is basically counts towards some grant money we get, so that's why this sheet is different for volunteers, and it has to be in pen, they have to sign it, and it's very strict in the rules of how we do it. The scope we borrow from Denrec, and it's a Leica, and the sight we have on it is something that was custom built by a guy named Dan Walker, who comes up to the Hawkwatch. And when you look through it, it's just got two sets of crosshairs that you line up to help you get on birds when you can see them naked eye. So that's basically the setup. We have some bird feeders over there. There's our board with the count totals. There's the sign with information and our landmarks. And as you can see on our horizon, we have the notch. Two little dips are left and right saddle. Out in the middle we have the bump where it goes up and then drops down. The biggest hump over the sign is the donut. In between the bump and the donut is the mini donut. To the right, the rectangular block of trees that sticks up is flat top. And those are the main landmarks we use here at Ashland.